Hello students, we will discuss the first experiment regarding the normally open switch by PLC. Already we discussed about the applications of PLC, how normally open switch is done by the PLC will be discussed here. The first objective simply study and use of the examine if closed. The another name of the normally open switch is examine if closed is also another name simply. In this equipments needed, in this equipment needed first is scientific 2400EH universal PLC platform with HMI. Here the no need of the HMI actually, but here scientific 2400EH universal PLC. This scientific 2400EH is nothing but it's a company name, the manufactured company name, right? UPLC platform we require, and human machine interface is actually applicable in SCADA, but in our PLC it is designed. The combination of HMI and PLC will be useful in SCADA. That's why it is also designed. We have a communication cable, Ethernet. The need of this communication cable and Ethernet is to connect the personal computer to the PLC. Whenever whenever to operate the PLC, we require the programming for the PLC. In order to write the programming, we are writing the ladder program. That ladder program is dumped into our PLC microprocessor. Then the PLC microprocessor operates. Otherwise, it is not working. That's why we required communication cable and the main cord. Main cord is means main supply. Main cord means main supply. So, and we will look into the operation. Here, if you look at the operation, generally, normally open switch means the switch always open. When we are operating, it will close. That's why there is no connection. Look at here, there is no connection. It is open. That's mean no switch is represented. And half logic, we can call it as half or logic 0. Both are same. Logic 0 means it is not operating, it is open. And it will take 24 DC supply and PLC will be operated with. So 24 DC supply will not be supplied to this input. Look at it. No switch when it is in 0 state. We can call it as also 0 state. No switch. Nothing transferred from input to output. Right. Next, if we are operating this switch, we are pushing this switch, automatically this it will be operated as logic 1. 0 means 0 state, logic 1 means the 24 volts of supply will be supplied to this input. Then the input will be operated, PLC will be operated like that. This is no switch when it is in 1 or high state, it will take the NC switch. It will call it as normally closed switch. Normally closed switch. This logic will be applied in our PLC first program, first experiment, right? So we have to, this switch will be used and it will be, by pressing this, output will be transferred from input to output by using the PLC. Right. When you are doing the program, it will be, you will understand, but before that you require some theory. That's why I am explaining this procedure. In this, connect main card to the main socket of Syntec 2400EH. That means it will give main card means wire, main socket 2400. It will supply the power first thing. Turn the rocker switch, power switch in on position. So then after that you will on the power switch on the our PLC panel. Next, connect the communication cable Ethernet between PLC and PC. This is very important thing. Ethernet cable is required. From that only we are writing ladder program in the PC and it will supply to the PLC. That's why it is operated. For opening RS Logic MicroStarter software, you will follow the procedure. And by using, in order to, if you want to operate the PLC, you write the program in PC. That's why in order to write the PC program in PC, you require RS Logic MicroStarter. By using RS Logic RS Logic software, we will follow the procedure. This is about the normally open switch. This is the experiment number 1. Okay. Okay. Hello students. Now we will discuss about the normally open switch. Open switch program should be write in the PLC. So in the PLC, first we have to write the program in our desktop by using our softwares. Two softwares. The first software is RS Linux Classic Lite. This is the supporting software. And the second thing is, in the desktop we have taskbar. The second thing, RS Logix 500 Pro software. These are the two softwares we have. So first open this RS Linux Classic Lite. Just check whether, just check we have to, in that, just check the three things: Linux Gateway Ethernet, second AB1 Ethernet, AB1 Ethernet and D Ethernet. And we, another way we also check in communications. In the communication you have a drive. In this drivers we have two things. One is AB AB Ethernet must be running status is running. The second, DB Ethernet running must be status in running. Just close it. Before starting it, we have to check it. This represents the connection between our personal computer and the PLC. So just close it. Now in order to write the ladder program, just open the, look at there, RS Logix 500 Pro. This is our ladder program software. So by using this we can write the program, and this program will be dumped into the our PLC. Then PLC will store by operating from here only, then PLC will be operated. So our program is, our our experiment is normally open switch. We have to check normally open switch is working or not. For that, just go for file, open the new file. In that new file we have to select our PLC. Our PLC is, this is our PLC, Micrologix 1400 series B. This is our PLC. Just select this PLC, because in our personal computer we have number of things available. So our processor is this thing. Our processor is this thing. Just select it and OK. So in that, this is the space for write the ladder program. Why it is ladder program is, in terms of ladders it will be available. That's why it is called a ladder program. So this is called the rung and this is end. So in this normally open switch we have to write. So in order to operate the components, in order to write the program, just look at here, we have some components. New rung means gives a new line, and this is the rung branch. In order to add the new branch, we have to apply here. This is our normally open examine if closed. That means another name is normally open switch. Normally open switch we have to close, and this is normally closed switch. The another name is examine if open. This is output energize, and this is output latch, and this is output unlatch. This is ASCII test for line, and this is absolute values. By using these components we can write the ladder program directly. Now, writing the ladder program is very simple, and in this uh, directly we can go for this. First thing, just we have to connect the input. That input must be is, so just first before that just select, must be in red line. Then we will select these components, examine if it, and this is our input port. We can give the value and we can select the input from the our PLC and take the output, and this is our input and this is our output. These are the ladder program components. So in that input we have to give, and I will give the input as buzzer. That's why I name it as buzzer. So shortcut name is buzzer, right? we have number of buzzers are 3. Number of buzzers are 3. That's why we have to give the some numbers. So first buzzer is, look at here, the buzzer is represented like this. We have 3. This is the first, second, third. These for the buzzers, and these for the toggle switches. We have 4 toggle switches, and next we have the IR sensor. So first I am I so I have to use the buzzer as input. The first is give the 0. From that, just hold it and apply to hit. Apply to hit. Then I am giving input as buzzer. This is the first buzzer. Just name it as buzzer 1. Name it as buzzer 1. Simply first buzzer. So in our inputs we have this, right? Next our we have to give the output. In order to check to operate, we have number of outputs. One is LED, another one is buzzer, third one is fan, and fourth one thing. This input is not buzzer actually. This input is the push button actually, not buzzer. Just modify it the name. Push button. Just name it as push button. First push button. Right. Here we have number of outputs. So I am using LED as output. And so keep LED 1. So LED 1 should be operated. Right. The name, then it will be very easy. But it has some value. In this data files, you have to select the output. From that output, actually 0 output for buzzer and starts from 1 is the LED. So that's why take this value and apply to this LED. Okay, right. Now generally our switch is open switch. By operating the input in switch, and LED will be operated. This is our program. Simple program it is. Our program is just take some input value, just take some output value and give the number to that. Why we have to give the number? We have number of inputs and number of outputs. That's why he has to represent which input has to take the PLC and which output has to give the PLC will be decided by this 0 number and this 1. This is input and this is output. Now after the completion of this program, just check here verify project. After the verifying project, look at here, verify has completed, no errors found. Next, verify file. So here verify has completed, no errors found. After that, just download this program. Just download this program. So before downloading the program, just is asked to save the file. So I am giving push button as input and push button as input and LED is outputs. So I am giving this name. So it will, after that, look at here programming, it will be show and are you sure want to proceed with download? Yes, I want to proceed. And processor is in run mode. Processor must be switched to remote program mode. Processor is in running, is asking to program mode. Yes. And look at here, apply channel configuration to online processor. This must be don't apply. And this is okay. Now it asked change back to run mode. Yes, program has to run in the next. Do you want to go on online? Means the program is from our software to and the processor, our PLC processor. Yes. So just observe here. If you observe here, this is our symbol. This symbol represents the program is running. The program is running. And another is this is in green mode and remote run mode. Whenever remote run mode is there and this object will be rotates, program is running. Now we will observe in the our panel board. We will operate the panel board. Then we will check our push button 1 and LED 1 is operating or not. What is operation? Generally it is in open. Whenever push button 1 is on, the LED will must be lighting. Okay, now we will check into the panel board. Okay, this is our panel board. So in our PLC data, I given the input for the push button 1, this is our push button 1, and we have to observe, and I am in the program I given output for the this LED 1. Look at here, this is LED 1. LED 1 must be operated as output, and push button 1 must be operated as input. Now we will check it. Just operate the push button 1. Yes. So I am operating the push button once. Whenever I press the push button 1, LED 1 is operated. Then normally open switch as acting as the closed switch. This is our program. So this is input is given and output will be taken. This is the process. Okay. This is about the normally open switch program. Okay.